select this option once again, required field validation, and in here in the properties search for initial value and paste whatever you have copied from here and paste it here. Okay, so this is also done. Now our password, we cannot show it to the outside world, so we need to protect our password. So what we will do is we will select our text box for the password and select text mode, and we say it's a password, and confirm password also. Once more select your confirm password text box and we will select this as password. Okay, all this is done. Now for example, you need to confirm password, you need to check whether this password and this password field matches. So whatever you have entered in this text box, you should enter in this text box. So how will you validate that and confirm that your password in these both fields are same? So there is a validator for this also, which is compare validator. So just choose this compare validator and drag and drop in this cell where you have confirm password is required, and drag and drop here, and in here change the error message. So you can say both password must be same. Okay, and what you can do here is just select the first option, which is required field, and click arrow button and press enter, so it shows on the second line. Okay, and just select it and change the font of this also, core color also red, and here we also provide the control to validate. Control to validate is this field, which is text box repeat password, and the control to compare also we need to provide, so it will compare with this password field. So we will choose this control to compare and choose the text box password. Okay, so this also we have done. Now to validate the email also, email, somebody can write his name and this will not be a regular email ID, and you also want to validate your email ID or whatever user have entered the email ID. It should be a valid email ID, it should not be any random text. So you can also validate that also by using a validator called regular expression validator. Regular expression is nothing but it just check for the pattern. For example, it checks for the email pattern, and if user have it matches the pattern of email, then it will